And then at 6 years old, I bought him a little KLX 110, like the little pit bikes is what they call it.
Yep.
And his number in motocross when we started racing is 456. And I came up with that number with my son because I said it will always mean something to you because your first motorized vehicle was at 4. And on your 5th birthday, you got a different one. And on your 6th birthday, you got a different one.
Yeah, nice.
So it became 456.